Welcome to CondoLogy.
Hi, it's CondoBot again. To collect contributions or condo fees at the syndicate level, while budget items were expenses that were redistributed between these syndicates, it's the same procedure. So we click on the three little green dots, then on Edit. Once we are in the syndicate file, we will place our reminder date for the next payment on the 1st of next month. We see here that the contribution is $200.96, and now all we have to do. We have our breakdown of payments, the breakdown of transactions. We will add a transaction on October 1st, so it is cashed. The amount of the transaction is $200.96. At this level, it is as if we were completing the breakdown of transactions, one line per transaction. But we can do the same thing as in the register of the condominium. That is to say, we know that our year of administration begins from January 1st to the end of December of the same year. So at that time, we know that we have made 10 contribution or charge payments municipality, condo fees, call it whatever you want. We could multiply by 10, add a 0 and confirm the transaction. So once again, if we go to the right, we could have the balance of our transaction. Once done, we save our file. So we will see here in the report that the balance of transactions is displayed. It's the same thing if we go to a syndicate, and which is quite rare because, well, it's syndicates that are affiliated, but we could very well at the level of the breakdown of the transactions. We can see that it is to be cashed. It is cashed. It is a reimbursement, but it can also have payments returned and NSF fees. It's the same method of calculation at the level of the breakdown of payments. That means that the balances will adjust as the transactions enter the breakdown of transactions. And we will have our balance at pay, which will be displayed here. So, basically, this is the way to collect contributions and condo fee payments for both the register of the condominium and the register of syndicates. Now, in the next series of videos, it will be about administrative functioning, but more at the level of automation. We will look at how CondoLogy does collection and collections, how communications are carried out automatically. We will be able to look at that in the next videos.